First of all, you all are intimidating, okay? Let me tell you first. And I'll just try to pull off a couple of things over here. Let me tell you what exactly we're going to do for the next 8 plus 2 minutes. We'll do a small, we have a 6-page slider presentation. And try to pull off with Murphy's curse or boon. We'll try to pull off our demo, live demo, where we try to actually launch our product today. So that's something a big deal for us. Hang on. InstaMojo, I'm the founder and the CEO, Sampath. I have with me Harshad, my co-founder. Okay, this works. Okay, fine. First of all, thanks Ashish, Pratyush, and the entire Plugged In team for calling us here. We're from Bombay. And okay, I'll start the presentation by asking very simple questions. I hope I can't see you guys from the stage, so I don't know whom to ask. So I hope if any one of you guys can relate to any of the questions over here, I think we have the right product. Okay, next slide, please. So what we are, very simple. We let you sell literally anything by just sharing a link. Yeah, it's that easy. Why do you do it? Very simple. Internet has been there for the last 18 years or so. Buying and selling has not been easy, unfortunately. Fortunately for us, it's difficult, it's time consuming, it's not dumb proof, and it's painfully difficult, literally actually. So we're trying to actually capture that essence of difficulty and giving it a spin with InstaMojo and making it damn simple, okay? How it works, okay, 3 steps to heaven as we call it. First step being, you come to the site, you register, you post whatever you want to sell, right? That's the first step. Second is, whenever you post, all you get is a link, which is a sort of a bit.ly link, and you share it with your friends, family, followers, fans, you email it to people, you get that link and post it on your wall, on your blog. Whenever your fans, followers, or friends see that link, they click that and they come to that page, which is the one-page checkout, right? And they like what you're selling, and they typically put their numbers and credentials, and they just get it, right? That's how simple it is. We'll try to show a demo, okay?
The resolution is
so what happens is you come to the site and you register. Post registration, we only let you, as of now, register via Facebook auth. You register and then you obviously get to log in. Whenever you log in, right, and you go to your dashboard, so I'm already a user. So I go to my dashboard and I upload an offer, right? Whatever I want to sell, right? And so I have put up something. In fact, this slide is actually on sale. Like, just take it for example. Okay. So want to get this presentation? No kidding, right? So this is on sale. So whenever you post something, this is sort of the typical page that appears on InstaMojo, right? And if you see on the top, there is this imojo.in/abcd. That's the typical short link for this page, which you can go ahead and share anywhere you want. It's internet. You can go and email, share, paste, whatever you want. So you like it, you say, okay, the price is 110 rupees, hypothetical, and you put your email ID, phone number, the typical things, and you say, can you buy this? You go to the payment page, okay, 99 transaction, and you put your details, test card details, we are using it for the demo. That's it. Whoever has I have put my email ID, and you get the file on your email ID. Now there are a couple of things when it comes to selling, right? So we typically divide the entire selling process in 2 parts. So you can sell either digital products, which typically resides in your computer, or the physical items, which you can touch and feel, like your phone or your computer, right? So as of now, we are starting off with letting you sell all your digital products that has been residing in a computer for ages, right? And it has no value till date. So what you can do? So remember the first slide where you asked you a few questions? Okay, so if you're a blogger, yes, now you can sell your blog post if that has good content value. If you're an aspiring artist, right, you have sang a song, you made a video for your loved ones, you can sell it too, right, with InstaMojo. Same funda, you come on the site, upload an offer, share the link, you're done. If you are an aspiring publisher, like if you want to actually write a book, right, you have an ebook, right, you can come on InstaMojo, put it up, again sell. If you are a hacker like us, like you can come on InstaMojo, again put up your source code, you can sell. So what we mean by this is InstaMojo is for everybody who feels that they are content creators, right, and they have something worth it for people to buy for. That's it. And the beauty of InstaMojo is it's a digital file, right? So, and digital file fortunately has no inventory-led issues, right? So you one upload you do, you can think about n number of people you can sell it across the world. That's how, and where InstaMojo helps is it just makes it damn easy for everybody to buy it, and you can earn money out of it. We launched about 50 days back in closed beta, where you have to actually sign up and we send you an invitation. Fortunately, a lot of people actually like what we are doing, right? And typically across the world, and they have been very kind enough to actually tell us a lot of give feedback, criticize as well. And these are, we actually try to put all the good feedback over here. So people have been very kind about it. These are 4 of us. We don't look beautiful, but anyways. That's the team, InstaMojo team. We are 4 of us based out of Bombay. Hey, that's it, man. We actually bring high velocity commerce and make it as simple as sharing. Thank you.
I just want to ask something. Questions? Any questions?
Please ask me any questions, please. I've saved 2 minutes for you guys to ask me questions.
Hi, this is Vandana.
Hi, Vandana.
I want to know how similar are you guys to the startup launched by Gumroad?
Okay, I was expecting the question actually. I have a very simple answer. It's as similar as Ferrari and Porsche, and as different as Bing and Google. You have to try to understand that. I can't really tell you. So it's different.
Okay.
But you have to try it.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, by the way, disclaimer and an announcement. We are open out of closed beta. So InstaMojo is open for everybody to sign up and give it a spin. And please get back to us with feedback, criticism, do whatever you want to, but please let us know what you should be doing. Thank you. Yeah. Any more questions, please? Yeah. Hi, Rishabh, right? Yeah. Yes, you can. You can. If you can, you just show me the page, please.
We've disconnected.
Okay, we are disconnected. Okay, so whenever you go to your offer page, typically we know that all your friends, fans, and followers are in Facebook and Twitter, right?
Okay.
We let you do that. However, we have also the short link, right? You can just take that short link. You can go to your email. You can go to your blog and just paste that,
Okay.
right? So did it answer the question?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Another question. For example, I want to sell a product. How will I create the page for that particular product?
You sign up. You go to your dashboard. There's a link called Add Offer.
Okay.
Right, and you just there's 5 questions that have been asked about what is the detail of the offer, what is the price, voila, that's it, you're done.
Okay. Fine. Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Oh, we would love to do that. We would love to do that. In fact, we have a lot of plans, but as I think as yes, we have a lot of plans actually, but I think I'll go ahead with Amit, what Amit said. We are looking for speed, not the scale right now, right? So we have plans definitely to make it more like a platform where everybody actually in the world can use it for their own benefit and their own purpose. So we have plans. Yeah. Any more questions, please? Yeah, please go ahead. I can hear you properly.
So, Hey, actually, very quickly.
Sure.
It sounds like you can only reach your friends and followers, right, on
Okay.
Twitter. How do you
Right.
get distribution beyond that?
Very simple. What we're doing is we're bringing the entire platform into a short URL, right? A link. Internet is built of links. So, for example, you are a big guy in Hacker News, right? Paul Graham Hacker News. Just go there and paste it over there, man. You get people to flock into that page. You have your friends. You have a forum. It's a link. You can do anything that you want to do with the link across the internet.
No, I understand that. I understand
Sure.
it's a link.
Sorry.
But sorry.
Yeah,
Okay, can I take it offline? I would definitely want to answer that actually. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.